me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. Bring me flowers. Won't you bring me flowers, baby? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. Bring me flowers, flowers, flowers.
Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Now let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting with the Best Skin Ever foundation by Sephora. This foundation has a dewy, skin-like finish that's lightweight, buildable, and perfect for those of us who just not always looking for full coverage. I enjoy everything about this foundation.
I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy. But you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me.
And we're done.
Love, I need to know, 'cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need some more.
Next up, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is hands down the best drugstore concealer on the market.
Think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? 'Cause I wanna know that you'll be here. Won't just go ahead and disappear. So can you do just one thing? Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers. Won't you bring me flowers? Bring me.
Here's e.l.f. once again coming through with the putty blush. This is in the shade Tahiti. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and warm it up a little bit on my finger first, and then I'm going to lightly tap it onto my cheeks, like so.
But your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know if you're gonna love me or go. And I wonder how you think of me.
Next is bronzer by Mented Cosmetics, of course, in the shade Vacay.
Every day, 'cause I'm in this until the end. So just be real and don't pretend, 'cause I can love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that.
And for the eyes, the new Romantic palette by Beauty Bay. I'm going to start with the first shade in the palette named Claret, and I'm going to press it softly onto the lid to avoid fallout. This shade is called Smoothie, and we're using her to blend out the edges. Off camera, I chose the shade Saddle to deepen up the outer corner of the look.
Still beat to the sound of my name. 'Cause I remember that we both promised to never leave.
And here are the eyes complete.
That you still feel the same. Bring me flowers so I know.
Lashes from Eylure London in the style Grand Glamour. The lip pencil is by Rimmel London and it's in the shade Under My Spell.
Flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. Bring me flowers, flowers, flowers.
This liquid lipstick is by Dose of Colors and it's in the shade Truffle.
I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy. But you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. know, 'cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around.
And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Make of me detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? 'Cause I wanna know